Today I'll show you how to make this elegant pearl bracelet using fishing line only, no tools and no crimps. You can also use gemstones to create completely different styles and looks. The rose quartz version feels soft and feminine. The white jade version feels fresh and natural. The chocolate pearl bracelet has a darker, more elegant look. And finally, the white pearl bracelet, which is today's demo, has a classic look with silver and cobalt accents. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, let's take a look at the materials for today's 6-inch pearl bracelet. 14 pieces of 8mm pearls. 43 pieces of 3mm fire polish beads. Size 11 seed beads. 1 lobster clasp. About 2 inches of link chain. 6-pound fishing line. Materials for the other color variations are listed in the description below. Alright, let's get started. During the tutorial, I'll call the fishing line thread. Cut your thread to at least 8 times your bracelet length. I'm using about 55 inches. You can color the tips if that helps. Pass one end through the clasp and bring both ends together. Add 1 fire polish bead and cross both threads through it. Make sure both threads are the same length. To reinforce the end, I recommend going through the clasp and fire polish bead one more time. Add 3 seed beads on each thread. Add 1 pearl on one thread, then cross the other thread through it. Add 3 seed beads on each thread again, then add 1 fire polish bead and cross both threads through it. Take either thread and pass through the next 3 seed beads. At the space between the beads, add 1 fire polish bead, then pass through the next set of 3 seed beads, the fire polish bead, and another set of 3 seed beads around the pearl. At the next space, add 1 fire polish bead, then pass through 3 seed beads and up through the top fire polish bead. Pull both threads, making sure the pearl faces the same side as the clasp lever. Basically, you repeat these steps until you reach your desired length. Let's do it together one more time. Add 3 seed beads on each thread. Add 1 pearl on one thread, then cross both threads through it. Add 3 seed beads on each thread again, then add 1 fire polish bead and cross both threads through it. This time, use the thread on the opposite side and pass through the next 3 seed beads. At the space, add 1 fire polish bead, then go around the pearl. At the next space, add 1 fire polish bead, then come up through the top fire polish bead. Make sure the second pearl faces the clasp leva side, aligned with the previous pearl. Continue repeating these steps until you reach your desired length. Just for reference, for a 6-inch bracelet without the clasp and chain, you'll need 14 pearls. And 16 pearls will make your bracelet about 6 3/4 inches long. Switch the thread each time you go around the pearl. If you're unsure which side to use, choose the longer thread so both sides stay even. Once you finish adding the last pearl, come back here. We'll add the chain and close the bracelet. Welcome back! Now the bracelet portion is complete and we can attach it to the chain. Take 1 thread and pass it through the last link of the chain. They pass it back through the top fire polish bead from the opposite side. Take the other thread and do the same, entering from the opposite side. Now both threads are coming out of the top fire polish bead in opposite directions. Take 1 thread and pass it down through the 3 seed beads next to the pearl. Hold the other thread at the top fire polish bead and repeat on the other side. Once both threads are next to the pearl hole, pass the longer thread through the pearl so both threads meet. Tie double knots. Once the knots are secure, pass 1 thread back through the pearl and pull so the knots are hidden inside. Take 1 thread and pass it down through the 3 seed beads next to the pearl. Do the same on the other side. Then pass each thread through the fire polish bead between the pearls. Continue passing each thread down through the next 3 seed beads next to the second pearl. Once both threads are next to the second pearl hole, pass 1 thread through the pearl so both threads meet again. Tie double knots again. Once the knots are secure, pass 1 thread back through the pearl and pull so the knots are hidden inside. Take one thread and pass it down through the first seed bead in the group of 3 seed beads next to the pearl, then tie a knot. Continue passing the thread through the next 2 seed beads, then trim the excess. Take the remaining thread and repeat the same steps on the other side, then trim the excess. And that's it, your bracelet is complete. I hope you enjoyed making this bracelet with me, and I'll see you in the next project.